Hi guys and welcome back to Guide Nation. Today I will show you how to add a timer on Invideo. In order to do this, first of all navigate to studio.invideo.io. After logging in, you will be on your dashboard. From your dashboard, open any of the recent projects you're working on. You can also go to create new and start a new project from template, stock media or directly navigate to editor. So I'm going to click on create new, select a stock media. Now choose a video. Click on add to project, choose the dimension, and I will be promoted to Invideo's editor. Here, if you want to add a timer, you will have to, first of all, click on the videos option at the top left corner on your screen. When you click on video, you will see this search option. Click on the search bar and search for timer. Hit enter and you will see different kind of timers available. So you can choose any one of these timers for your videos. According to your preference, you can choose the style and click on the plus icon at the bottom. You can also drag it to the top of your layer. So I'm going to add this timer. I will left click it and drag it to the top of video. Now it will ask me, would I like to replace or add it as a layer? So I will choose add as a layer. Now trim the section of the timer you want. So I want the timer to start from 1 and count till 11. So I will trim this and click on add button at the bottom. Now you will see the timer section added on your screen. You will have to just left click on it and drag it to the section of video you want it to be on. So I will drag it at the bottom right. Now when I play this video, I will see the timer added and it's working fine. When I play this video, I will see the timer is working and it's looking good. You can choose any other kind of timers you want for your video. Drag it, click on add as a layer, select add, decrease the size of this, and when you play it, the timer will work. So that's the simple way through which you can add timer on Invideo. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit that notification bell. And I will see you in the next video.